Hiya, Kevin from Ski MD here. If you've got a 2019 or 20 GTX, GTR, any of the 1600s, FISHPRO, you need to have a look at your ski, take your seats off, find the coolant overflow hose which comes out of the top of the catch tank, pull it out, and if the hose makes it all the way over here to the gunnel, you need to take a pair of side cutters, cut 100 mils off it, and then tuck it back into its original locator hole. Now the reason that you do that, and you'll quite clearly see on this example here, is that when the ski's been running and cools down, this hose unfortunately made it right down into the center V of the hull. Now when the ski cools down, the salt water that's in the bottom of the hull got drawn back up into the closed loop cooling system and ultimately rots away the oil cooler. This causes random overheating issues which have been very hard to find. This is a quick fix and a must-do mod. So remember the check, out to the side, if the hose makes it there, cut 100 mil off, return it to its place. Problem solved.